everyone! So in this demo video we will be going over Autopsy. Autopsy is an open source digital forensics platform that can be used to analyze images stored on hard drives. So we're going to begin by updating the APT repository. So now we want to update and install Autopsy. So now we want to start the Autopsy server. And now we are going to open up a browser window. So once we open up our browser window, we want to navigate to the following URL. Now that we are here, we want to click Open Case and then click New Case. So here we want to enter the case name, description, and investigator name. The instructions say to name this first case, but because I already have a case that is named that, I am going to name it something different. So once we have finished this, we can click on New Case. Next, we just click Add Host. So next we want to enter a new host. We will type in test computer, and then we will go down and click on Add Host. So Autopsy is now asking to add an image. So we want to open a new tab and navigate to another URL. So this lab is going to be using number 8, JPEG search test number 1. So we will go ahead and click on that. Next, we want to click on ZIP to start downloading. We want to click on Save File. So next what we want to do is open another terminal window. So once we opened a new terminal window, we want to navigate to the Downloads folder. If you type the command and you see an error that says no such file or directory, type the following. Replace Kali with whatever your username is. So now we're in our Downloads folder, so we want to unzip the image we just downloaded. Now we want to navigate into the image folder. We want to move the image to our desktop and rename it. Where I have Kali, you will want to replace with whatever your username is. So now we want to go back to Autopsy. So now that we're back at Autopsy, we'll click on Add Image. We'll click on Add Image File. So now we want to enter the path to the image file on the desktop. So we will do that with you will replace Kali with whatever your username is. We'll switch to partition, and then we can click on Next. At this window, we want to click Add, and then we will click OK. So after we have selected the image, we want to select Analyze. We will go up to the top where it says File Analysis and click. And then we will go down to the left side and click All Deleted Files. So we want to select the top deleted file, so we will click it. And so this is picture number 3. So we want to go over and click on Export to save the file to our system. So we will click that. Then we want to click Save File. We'll go ahead and click OK. Next, we want to add a note. So we will click Add Note. We can go ahead and type our message. Once we have added our message, we will click M Time and click OK. So now we want to find another image. We will go back to our previous autopsy window. We will again click File Analysis. We are going to go here where it says File Name Search, search for JPG, click the search button. We will go ahead and open the first file by clicking on it. And so here is our second image. This is picture 1. So again, we will click on Export to download the image. We will click Save File, hit OK, and then we are going to add a note. So we are just going to add a note that the image was downloaded. We will select M Time and then click OK. So after we submit a note, we can click on View Notes. And so we can see all the notes input on the image. Once we are done, we will click Close. So now you can go ahead and find other images. You will want to download the image and then add a note after it is done downloading. So that is going to wrap up our demo on Autopsy. I hope you enjoyed this video.